Morning.
Morning.
Um, Briefly tell us about yourself. Start with your name and yeah, more about yourself.
Thank you. My name is Alinafe Chalunda, and I'm 22 years old. I'm a professionally trained model, and I'm very passionate about the runway. My happiest moments are when I'm outdoors exploring the world, whether through photography or traveling, because that's how I get to meet and interact with people. I'm a chef by trade. I studied food production at the Malawi Institute of Tourism, where I also represented my school in Miss Colleges, and I was crowned queen. My journey doesn't end there. I aspire to be the next Miss Malawi. Thank you.
Right. Um, the theme for Miss Malawi is managing Malawi's population growth. So, as Miss Malawi, how would you contribute to overcoming the problem or the challenge of population growth?
Thank you. Assuming I become Miss Malawi, I'll be able to reach out to people more than I am right now. Using my title and experience, I'll get involved in programs that will help civic educate the nation, especially those in the rural where illiteracy is high, the dangers of overpopulation. Thank you.
And why did you join the contest again? Why would you like to become Miss Malawi?
Like any other girl doing Miss Malawi, I would like to win. Being Miss Malawi is not only about wearing the sash and the crown. You're an ambassador, you have to reach out to people. Miss Malawi is a people's person.
Thank you.
I'm 22 years old.
That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.